Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. After some of the artist videos I made, I've had a couple of requests. So the first one is Asher Brown. Now I don't know him, never heard of him, so I'm just going to do a bit of research on him first. Asher Brown Duran. So we'll copy that. Right, and let's find his Wikipedia. So I am going to do magical fairies in a forest under moonlight. Right. So first thing we'll do is we'll try art in the style of Asher Brown Durand, comma, magical fairies in a forest under moonlight, stable diffusion XL beta, 16 images. We'll go widescreen and I'll up that to 80 and we'll go for that. While that's doing its thing, I'll come in here and see if I can get some keywords. So painting, landscape art, so he's a landscaper. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a few. Painting career. Sketching. Let's have a look at some of these images. Right, landscape, portrait, landscapes. Lots of landscapes. Right, let's see what we've come up with. Right, okay. So it's kind of what I asked for. Let's have a look. But is it in his style? I guess so. Strangely enough, we've done quite a lot of trees, so it was maybe a lucky prompt to use. Quite like that, that's pretty cool. Strange how it's got people over here in most of them. That's a nice one. Yeah. And this on this tree here, there's always something here, the round thing. That's quite a good one. I like that one. Right, we'll go for that one. Right, so I'm now going to change it. I'm going to put landscape painting. See if there's anything else I can find out about them. So look. He likes mountains as well. Portrayals of trees, rocks and foliage. Realism. That's the one. Realism. We'll pop that in there. I'm going to put Hudson River School Artist. Nature. I don't know if it'll make much difference. Sometimes it does. Nature. And then photorealistic. We'll keep 16. We'll keep that. I'm going to up it to medium to see if I can get a bit more detail on the fairies. I'm going to leave that there. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, the results are pretty similar, I would say. That's a painting. So where has it got that from? What's in the prompt that's there? Because I used the word painting, so I'm going to get rid of the word painting. and put landscape art. Nice composition in some of these. That's pretty cool with the birds up there. It's funny how the moon's in a lot of them this time. Magical fairies like dancing in the moonlight, I guess. There's another painting. Yeah, not bad, but I'm gonna go by. I'm gonna move photorealistic, and I'll just leave it. That's pretty basic. Make sure new seeds are being used, and let's see what that comes up with. Yeah, they're all pretty samey, to be fair. The composition on some is better than on others, but I think it's picking up his style though. Yeah, they're all pretty samey. But just to see if it is picking up his style, let's remove this altogether and see what happens. Let's see. We'll leave everything the same. The medium didn't really make that much difference either. Not that I can see at this size anyway. New random seeds. I'll just put it back to short. Create, confirm. Okay, the results are pretty different. There seems to be more fairy stuff. That's like little fairy houses. The moon's probably to do with the mystical kind of aspect of fairies. They are quite different to the other ones, I would say. There is, that's pretty samey. So I don't really know how much he is affecting the overall image. I think he's affecting it quite a bit. There's lots of paintings in this one. Yeah, but yeah, it's a tough one to call, really. That's quite nice. I'll just put that as that one. But yeah, so yeah, I think it was picking up some of his stuff, but maybe not as much as some of the other stuff. So that's Asher Brown. Pretty cool landscapes. That's pretty cool, but that's not the one. We've seen quite a few cool stuff coming through when we were using him. So yeah, that's Asher Brown. Thanks for watching.